Hello and welcome to your GoodBarber back office. Today we're going to discover together a new design feature that will allow you to customize even more a key element of your app, the header. You can choose between 3 different header heights and other options. To discover this option, go to the menu Content and Design, Design General Design, and click on the sub-menu Logo and Title. This is where you can choose the default size of your header. In the small version, you can display the title of your app or your logo. The medium version displays the same element but with a greater height. Finally, the large version allows you to add a short description to your header in addition to the title of your app or your logo. You can then choose the effect applied to your header when scrolling. No effect, disappearing, or resizing. The header has multiple purposes. Display the identity of your app, give a title to the section, display shortcuts, or navigate in the app. This is a very important part of your app, so go ahead and make it perfect for you.